Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to search quickly on your tablet using your Magic Keyboard. So actually it's very easy and you don't have to do something very complicated. At first, just click Command and space. That's it. Here now we can just type, for example, YouTube, open YouTube. We can tap Command space, tap, for example, Notes, and open Notes with the Enter. The same as with the every other application. Command, which is the button over here, and space, which is this big space bar over here. And that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.